Hey, my chickadees. Welcome back to the Back 40. All right, it's another week of our Margaret Miller Collage Challenge. And this is week 31. Yeah, week 31. And we have an architectural element, stained paper, a toy or doll, something in vibrant red, something imaginary, and the bonus is a piece of coloring book. So we have this skyscraper here, and we have the ink stained paper, our vibrant red flower, imaginary steampunk seahorse up here with the big huge flower. And of course, our Back 40 toy right here, our tractor, that's our toy. And then our paper there. So this is our week 31 for the Margaret Miller Collage Challenge. There you have it. I hope y'all having a blast. And I am having a ball. And look at this baby. It's getting chunky. All right. See y'all on the next go round. Bye. Love you.